Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making meatball subs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of mild Italian sausage, 1 pound of ground beef, fresh parsley, Italian breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, salt. We're going to need 1/4 cup of onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 egg, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, oregano, and white wine, and also hoagie rolls. Okay guys, what you want to do is get a large bowl. As you can see, I put my mild Italian sausage and ground beef into the bowl. We're going to need 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1/2 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of salt. So all we're going to do now is add all our ingredients into our bowl. Once you have all your ingredients in your bowl, all you want to do is mix until well combined. Okay guys, once your ingredients are all combined, all you want to do is take a 1/4 measuring cup and start to form your meatballs. Okay guys, this should make about 14 meatballs. So now we're going to go ahead and put our olive oil into our pan. Okay guys, I'm using a 3-quart Dutch oven. So I already put my olive oil in 3 tablespoons and I let it reach the temperature. So now all we're going to do is add our meatballs in. And we're going to brown them for 10 minutes. Okay guys, you want your heat on medium. Okay guys, after the meatballs have browned, I'm just going to move them over to a cool rack and just set them to the side until later. Okay guys, in the same pan, we're going to add 1/4 cup of chopped onion and our 2 minced garlic cloves, and we're just going to saute that for a minute. Okay, after your minute is up, all I did was add my can of crushed tomatoes and also my can of tomato paste. And all we're going to do is stir that up real good. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of white wine. I'm going to give that a mix. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. The oregano, our salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and we're going to mix that up real good. Okay guys, remember for the sauce, it's 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of white wine, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 2 garlic cloves minced, and 1 cup of onion chopped. Now we're going to go ahead and add our meatballs back in. And we're going to cook this for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And we're also going to put our lid over top. Remember, your heat is going to be on medium. So now I'm going to do is put my lid on. And remember, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the top. Look at that. It looks beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and mix it around. Now they look delicious. This is going to be the best meatball sub you've ever had. Alright guys, now all we're going to do is get our hoagie rolls. Okay guys, here I have my Parmesan cheese, I have my mozzarella cheese, and I also have my hoagie rolls on a baking rack. You want to set your oven to 300 degrees. And all you want to do now is build your sub. So we're going to take a little bit of sauce onto the bottom of the hoagie roll. And then just add our meatballs. After you add your meatballs, all we're going to do is add our cheese to the top and a little bit more sauce. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead, just a little bit more sauce to the top. And I'm going to go in with my Parmesan. Then my mozzarella. And guys, you can add as much cheese as you would like. And after you've done that, all we're going to do is go ahead and put it in the oven at 300 degrees. You want to keep an eye on it until all the cheese is melted and the bread is slightly toasted. Okay guys, so here you have it. The best homemade meatball subs you will ever taste. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back. Please remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.